you're experiencing verification issues on PayPal after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review email notifications. Check your email for any messages from PayPal regarding your verification attempts. They may provide specific instructions or information about why the verification failed. Step 2. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to the Resolution Center to see if there are any alerts or actions required on your part. Step 3. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documents for verification. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other requested information. Ensure that these documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Submit documentation. Follow the prompts in the Resolution Center to upload your documents. Make sure to double-check that all files are correctly uploaded and meet PayPal's requirements. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, allow PayPal some time to review your information. You will receive an email or notification once your verification is complete or if further action is needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on PayPal. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer service for additional assistance.